Hello everyone, my name is Kushal Rajnikant Vichpad Gendra and I am a web developer, programmer and a content developer and currently pursuing my BTech degree in information technology engineering. So being a technical person, I would like to share my views on the current situation COVID-19 and different technologies which a student should learn in these times and even for businessmen and entrepreneurs. So let's start with my presentation. So this is a brief introduction about myself and the topic different technologies to learn in this COVID-19 current situation. So let's go to the next slide. So technologies for a student to learn. As you know, everything is going online right now. Even education has been converted completely to online mode. Now teachers are taking video lectures, online lectures. So students should be well versed with these technologies, Google Meet, WebEx meetings, Zoom, and there is one other platforms as well. So in this platform you can complete your assignments, you can submit it, you can even teachers can share their notes, they can take their assignments, online quizzes, and these platforms are Google Classroom and Moodle. Very important for both teachers and students to learn this. Next, we have technologies for businessmen and entrepreneurs. As you know, since everything is going online, digital marketing will play a major role in getting customers and sales for the business. And as in my opinion, being a technical person, I would say digital marketing, running a digital marketing campaign, a digital marketing ad on Instagram, Facebook is useless and worthless if you don't do the data analytics part of it. So what do I mean by data analytics over here? That with the help of some tools like Google Analytics, Excel, Microsoft Power BI, you can actually track what is going on with your ad. So basically how many person are viewing, they are seeing your ad in a single day, and after seeing that ad, are they actually visiting your store, are they actually coming to your website and purchasing anything or the product which you have put up on your digital marketing campaign. So basically I personally feel, and it is even true, that digital marketing and data analytics go hand in hand, and if it is waste and useless to run a digital marketing campaign without doing the data analytics part of it and doing it blindly. Even most of the successful companies right now are investing more and more on the analytics part, the data analytics, because they want to know how and what is the status of their business. Are the digital marketing campaigns which they are running are getting converted to more and more customers? Is the conversion ratio, the bounce rate increasing with the digital marketing campaign and in which they are investing heavily on? Next, you also need to maintain sales accounts, then customer database to increase the relationship with customers, so that you don't miss out on their birth dates, important days, anniversaries. And these some of the tools which you can use to maintain these customer databases, all clients and Salesforce. Another, for managing sales and accounts, you can use Tally ERP9, a wonderful tool where you can manage your accounts, taxations, GSTs, billings, etc. With this, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.